How to install the new media player app on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Microsoft has introduced a new version of media player app that replaces the Groove Music app, but it is only available for Windows Insider in the Dev channel. However, it is possible to download and install it on the stable version of Windows 11 as well. The new media player feature is a brand new interface that follows the Windows 11 design language. For example, it has rounded corners, semi-transparent materials, and it supports dark and light color system modes. So if you are not an insider, you can still install the new media player if you want. So for that, you have to download this MSIX bundle from the link given on the description box. Once you have downloaded, run this file and the operating system will display a pop-up that asks whether you'd like to update or not. Click on the update button to confirm the action and wait for it to finish. And this way you can enjoy the new media player features. So do try this, and for more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.